Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today what happened is my son he had the Discord account and one time someone sent him a game in the Discord chattings and then he opens the game and he play like 1 or 2 minutes. After that he said that his account get hacked. He couldn't log in into the Discord account again. After he couldn't log into the Discord account and he told me, and then I tried to log in with the username and passwords and didn't work. And then I did I went to the Discord account and when I'll show you what I tried to do. And I did my forgot your password as well. Let's click it. Okay, need the huge email ID first. And then they said that the instructions sent in this account. Okay, I go to my Gmail and then I click the new password and change password. You can see that it asks for the authentication code out of the back of code, but we didn't set up this one before. That's why we don't have this one. The hacker set it up the authentication codes. My son said that first time when the hacker hacked his code, he did the same process like the forgot your password and then he resetted the new password, get this code account back. But he is young, so he didn't know that he has to do the two-factor authentication code as well. So he didn't set up again. He didn't do this two-factor authentication codes. And then the hacker again hacked his account, and then the second time when he hacked the account he set up this code. And then I tried to contact the Discord company by going to the support, and then here I submit a request, hacked account, and then I fill up all those details and I submit it. I put on my email ID for the username. Like I don't remember what my son's username was, so I asked one of his friends to check his user ID, and then I put the email ID associated with that account, and I fill all of those things and submitted the request. And then after that, what I got from them is I will show you the reply. Discord account is hacked. Support here. They said that I'm terribly sorry to hear about the situation with your and they asked me use your two-factor code or remove two-factor code by using the view backup course, but we didn't have this one and I didn't have the two-factor course as well, and because we didn't set up these things, that's the hacker set up these things and we didn't have it. And then nextly I said that I haven't set up this two-factor authentication, so I don't have either this one or this one, like a two authentication or backup codes. And I asked them whether they can give me the two authentication codes, but for security reasons, they said that they are not able to give me the two authentication codes. So only they can do is I have to give the return letter, say that I have to delete the account. So I decided to delete my account before the hacker misused my account and damage. So be careful with your Discord account. If in future if you are using your Discord account, be sure you have used the two-factor authentication code. If you want to know how to use the two-factor authentication code, please watch my next video. I will show you how to set up your two-factor authentication code so that the hacker cannot hack your account actually. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for listening my story. See you next time. Bye.